When you export your Canva designs in JPG, PNG, and PDF standard formats, they download at a 96 DPI resolution, often producing blurry or pixelated designs. To export your graphics in 300 DPI or dots per inch, use this trick. Create your image. We'll use this one as an example. Click Share. Click Download. Then use the drop-down menu and select PDF Print. For the color profile, select RGB for digital use and CMYK for print. Then download. Open your PDF. Select File. Choose Export and then make your selection. You can use Photoshop or Illustrator to control your export selections. Please note that not all elements in Canva are 300 DPI to begin with, so it's typically best practice to upload your own 300 DPI images and graphics. Voila! And now you can go play with your dog!